Okay, well, good morning. Today I am going to demonstrate how to create a custom block type or maintenance block type for social distancing. You certainly can call it something else at your property. This is just an example of the abilities and what our thoughts are for the easiest way to hold rooms out of order for 24 hours. I'm going to start by going in Lodgical up to System, Configuration, Program Settings. Under Units, there's a section called Block Types. We'll click on this, and then here you can actually add a newer custom block type. We'll call this Social Distancing. We'll leave it as active. I recommend changing to a bright, vibrant color to make this easy to see. Definitely something not green, as that's what current reservations are under. So I'd go with a different color. I'll just choose this really bright, vibrant pink color here. Mark room dirty when removing. That is something you would want to definitely check. That way when the social distancing hold drops, it puts it as dirty on the housekeeping chart so they know to clean that the very next day. So I'm going to just hit OK, and you can see it's in there. When I go ahead and hit save, and then I'm going to go to the chart. Now for most of you, you'll have obviously more on your chart. This is Hotel Millwright, just in pre-opening status. So I'm going to have to go to a date where they actually have rooms on the books. Your properties, you would not have to do that. When I hit OK, we can see the different reservations that are in here. And so using this as the example, we can see the first floor room numbers, we can see the reservations that are in here. And in these cases, Sunday the 4th would need several different room block holds in here for the social distancing. So what we'll do is we'll go up to unit blocks at the very top of the chart here, add remove blocks. We can set the date that we need. So for example, I actually am going to go with Sunday the 4th. And starting and ending there, I'm going to do just an abbreviation, SD, as a note, social distancing. And the type you can see is now in here, social distancing. I can literally run down the list and see which rooms are going to need a block for 24 hours. And just go ahead and choose those. So 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108. So we can see 109 is not going to need it on that Sunday. They won't need it till the Monday. So we'll skip that. We'll pick up with 110. We would not need blocks here. So then we can simply go with 116, 118, 120. We would again not need one until the 5th. So we'll skip 121. We'll go ahead and put in the 23 and 25. We can also see 27, 29, and 31. So once those have all been selected, you would simply just hit block as you would for any normal thing. And when we close, you can see our social distancing blocks are now in here. Okay. The nice thing about this is then we can run a report for this particular day, Sunday, October 4th, to be able to see what rooms will need to be disinfected. On the morning of the 5th, these will automatically have disappeared, and the rooms that these were on will automatically be marked dirty so that housekeeping knows to go ahead and go into those rooms and clean them. So now I will go ahead and show you as well. Under reporting, housekeeping, rooms and maintenance is the report that would show this. We could choose by date. In this case, because I did put the blocks out on that Sunday, October 4th, I'm going to use that as my day. I'll simply hit refresh, and now we can see the room numbers that are in maintenance block, social distancing block, and would need to be held. Right now, as you can see, there's only these 4 columns. It does not actually show you if this maintenance hold is for a maintenance reason versus a social distancing reason. This is something that I've engaged Lodgical to update for us, and so across the next day or two here, we'll see an update coming through here which will allow us to sort by what type of hold this is, but this will be a great report for the future for you. Any questions, feel free to let me know, but this appears for now, until there's a different kind of work around, to be the best way to handle social distancing blocks as we need them. On the screen too, we can certainly go back and see any blocks that do exist. If we need to make changes to blocks, we would do that from here under unit blocks. Thanks everyone. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know.